Today today is July the 6th, and I'm showing you and I'm organizing my car. I got three Mustang. This is the engine for the 289. It's the 3-speed transmission, the radiator, the head, flywheel. Here it is. It's a V8 289. Everything is apart. I had to sort them out and see what's missing, and I'm gonna start repairing them soon. The door, the hood. This is the fender, the transmission, the 3-speed manual to do a lot of a brand new front radiator support, a brand new apron both sides. There's another door, more part. It's a seat raiser, more part, hood, latch, whatever. 1966 V8 289 3-speed manual transmission. It's not so bad. Need a lot of work though. Tear up the floor, ready for install. 2-piece floor, one on the left, one on the side, including the extension from the floor to the firewall. The roof not so bad. Everything okay. I had to sort them out because I got confused. I don't want to mix parts. So this is the door skin for the 69 GT V8 302 automatic. That's the hood. Another door skin. That's the fender for the 69. Left and right. We have new fender. That's the seat riser. That's the floor we tear it up. Both left and right we repleted one piece full floor panel. We replace all of this in the back at the lifter. Transmission in the back right here is the timing change. Hood, latch support, battery apron is the part of the floor that ripping, that the radiator for the 69. Main crankshaft bearing, engine plug, that's the transmission, all one. We're gonna keep that battery support underneath the battery apron, and then the mud panel. This is the trunk lid for the 69. We're gonna keep it. This is the front end support for the 66 inline 3.3. It's on the right here. It's the inline 6-cylinder 3.3 1966. We tear up everything and replace it with brand new panel. Battery apron, radiator, windshield and back window, hood for the 66 3.3, another door, the lead trunk, pull all of this thing out, replace with new one, alternator, plug, starter, shock, brake, master brake cylinder, switch, window shield. In the basement, I have all the brand new part that I store in there. This is my 60-gallon tank. So it's tire and rim for the three car. Part everywhere. My wife got not very happy with this, but I had to work. This is my compressor. This is the inline 6-cylinder for the 66 Mustang. That is a V8 for the 69 GT 302 automatic. Use gas tank. Waiting for part to complete the transmission. And gasket for the oil pan because they give us a wrong gasket. Part everywhere, folks. It's a carburetor for the 69 two-barrel. Oil pan for that engine right there, you see? All the part, all sandblasting. This is a 66 inline. Homemade jig. Sandblasting it. It's a monster. 15 horsepower. Command Pro. It's a 69 GT. We'll park here, back here. But last week we took it to my friend up there. He's gonna do the body work for me, put new panel and put new floor. And here is the rest of the 69 GT. Light, seat. Lot of work, folks. Got to bring the upholstery to make it new seat. Everywhere. This for the 69. We'll have to sandblast them. Yeah, tanks. Bumper. Instrument. Panel. Window. Tray. Grill. Headlamp. Inner quarter panel. Door inner panel. That's what the 69 is. There's the others. The first Mustang down there. Lucky I got a lot of land and a beautiful view of the lake. Water pretty high. Last couple months rain. Didn't see the water high like this for since 2006 when I just moved up here now.